In this video, I will share with you a collection of free add-ons, tools, and assets that you probably missed. This goes from kit libraries to Geonodes and many other fun-to-use plugins, so keep with us until the end. We did also make a playlist for all the free add-ons we shared on this channel, so you might check that too. Links, as always, are in the description. At number 1, we have the Sanctus Library for procedural materials. With this, you can transform simple objects into detailed creation and make exceptional 3D designs with minimal effort. Thus, users with limited experience, aka noobs like myself, can achieve amazing results with no time. The library includes a wide variety of procedural materials, geometry nodes, generators, image decals, a powerful baking tool, and free updates to get the new assets at time. Available on the market, and though it's paid, you can go with the free tier to get a limited number of assets and materials to test it out. Then you have the option to purchase it, so give it a try. Libraries are always fun to have. Second in line, we have Quick Attach, a free Blender add-on to attach many objects to your rigged model at the same time, and all that been done with just one click. Extremely fast and flexible, which can help you save a significant amount of time on tedious rigging tasks. Available on the market for free, and you can always tip the creator. The work done by this add-on can be exported to other software just like the usual way. You can visit the author channel from the market page to see all about this tool and how to set it up, so have fun. Next, we have a free non-destructive modeling add-on, which provides a workflow enhancements, tools, and operations with generators tailored specifically for non-destructive 3D modeling. Available on Gumroad for free for both personal and commercial use, so go there to get it. This can help you with your modeling, particularly the hard surface forms of it, while adjusting parameters quickly without requiring manual polymodeling. This ND add-on type of modeling makes extensive use of modifiers to enhance a flexible workflow, so enjoy your time with it. At number 4, we have the Mechanical Creature Kit from Polyfjord, the ultimate asset pack for kit-bashing mechanical creatures and to make photorealistic come to life in Blender. So if you're familiar with the author channel and want to do something like his top-tier videos, this collection can help you in the road to achieve that. Available on the market with a free tier, so you can test the water first before you commit to full relationship with the kit, which includes models and materials, along with rigging and example scene to inspire you if you want to be inspired, because some people just don't bother. Anyway, dope things here, so make sure to take a look once you have the time. Next in line, we have the Geo-Scatter add-on, and as the humble author describes it, is the #1 scattering plugin for Blender. A weapon of choice, engineered by light and darkness, I mean, I added the last part, but still it's dope. I use it quite often, and we did share it on this channel a year ago or something like that, so still dope. You can go directly to the main page and get it for free. The add-on has a quite nice collection of 3D green stuff with many cool functions to enhance your experience, like camera culling and direct surface painting, so go for it if you want some grass. At number 6, we have AutoUV, a new add-on from Blender Procedural. With this tool, you can UV unwrap objects automatically in Blender with one click. Awesome, right? The add-on is available on the market for free, and you can visit the author page to go through a quite number of amazing tools which can help you do great stuff. So go there, see what you like, get this UV add-on if it caught your attention, and give it a try. All for free after all. At number 7 on this list, we have the Nview add-on, a camera-based optimization tool which limits your scene based on what can be seen by the camera. It does this by detecting objects not seen by the camera, then either hiding them or masking them, thus reduce the amount of visible geometry in your scene. This improves viewport speed and saves rendering time without compromising anything visual. Now this one is paid with its latest version, and you can get it off the market page from the description. However, for version 1, it's available for free on GitHub from the author page, so you can grab it from there, and you can read all about the updates that happen throughout this year to see what you're getting yourself into. Have fun. Next in line, we have Projectile, a fun add-on to have if you want to throw stuff around inside Blender. Projectile takes just a few clicks to set initial velocities for rigid body objects, so it can help beginners get things done with no time. This one is available on Gumroad for free, and it's compatible with Blender 3 and above, so make sure to check the version before you download any of those add-ons. At number 9, we have Tracky, an easy way to do motion tracking. With this collection of tools, you can capture footage on your phone, then run them through Blender using the Tracky add-on to easily track the footage in the 3D world. Available on GitHub, with full explanation for the steps and other links for tutorial videos to get the basic knowledge before using it, so go for it, but keep it on the clean side, mate. Don't track weird stuff. Last but not least, we have the industrial Geonodes, a collection of industrial-themed geometry node creations, which includes pipes, vents, and catwalks. With this, you can easily create and customize your models with no time. To get the files, visit the author page via the link in the description and ask for the download. And that's it. Remember 3 things: like, subscribe, and your grandma's birthday. The last one is kinda important, so keep it in mind. And see you guys next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.